Are you tired of dealing with pet hair, office debris, and car interior mess? Introducing the DEDC vacuum cleaner, your ultimate cleaning companion. Watch as this powerful vacuum cleaner effortlessly tackles all the cleaning challenges, powered by the latest Tesla-inspired lithium battery technology. Don't settle for less. Our vacuum cleaner outshines the competition in terms of suction power. With 2 adjustable suction modes, you can switch between low and high settings to meet all your cleaning needs. And if that's not enough, it even has a blowing function to reach those hard-to-clean areas. DEDC Vacuum Cleaner, a perfect blend of power and versatility.